Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is our fourth lecture of April month, subject English and class 5th. In the previous lecture, we read the lesson The Show, in which William arranged an animal show with the help of his friends and his Aunt Emily, who was ill and is resting all the time. But in this lecture, we have written work. Unit 3, Lesson 3, and the topic is The Show. First of all, we have some dictation words. First one is expensive. EXPENSIVE, expensive. Expensive mean महंगा. And number 2 is recovering. RECOVERING, recovering. Recovering बहाल होना, to return to normal health. Number 3 mentioned. MENTIONED, mentioned. Mentioned mean जिक्र करना. And number 4th exhibit. EXHIBIT, exhibit. Exhibit mean दिखाना, publicly display. And 5th one is wrapped. WRAPPED, wrapped. Wrapped mean लपेटना, to enclose in something. Number 6 especially. ESPECIALLY, especially. Especially mean खास, सब में से खास. 7th audience. AUDIENCE, audience. Audience mean सामईन, किसी प्रोग्राम को देखने के लिए अफराद आने वाले. And 8th and last one is immediately. IMMEDIATELY, immediately. Immediately means फौरी तौर पर. And students, now I will repeat it. First one is expensive. 2 recovering. 3 mentioned. 4 exhibit. 5th wrapped. 6 especially. 7th audience. 8th immediately. And now students, we have some words, their English meaning and also their Urdu meanings. First one is outlaw. Outlaw English meaning lawless. Outlaw Urdu meaning law का known. A person excluded from protection of the law. Now ensues. Ensues English meaning uneasy and Urdu meaning परेशान. Exhibit. EXHIBIT, exhibit English meaning display. Urdu meaning दिखाना, नुमाइश करना. 4th one is immediately. Its English meaning is without delay and Urdu meaning is जल्दी से. And 5th one is nap. Nap English meaning short sleep and Urdu meaning is हल्की नींद. 6th one is suggest. SUGGEST, suggest English meaning advice. Urdu meaning मशवरा देना. 7th though. Though English meaning however. Urdu meaning हालांकि. And 8th is slight. English meaning not much. Urdu meaning थोड़ा. Now students, I repeat these. First one is outlaw, lawless, कानून, ला कानून. Ensues uneasy, परेशान. Exhibit display, दिखाना. Immediately without delay, जल्दी से. Nap short sleep, हल्की नींद. Suggest advice, मशवरा देना. Though however, हालांकि. Slight not much, थोड़ा. Now we have words and their sentences. First one is expensive, महंगा. I have bought an expensive watch. मैंने एक महंगी घड़ी खरीदी. Idea ख्याल. This is a good idea. ये बहुत अच्छा ख्याल है. Number 3 gang यानी कि ग्रोह. A gang of thieves was caught by police. पुलिस ने चोरों का ग्रोह पकड़ लिया. Number 4th roar. The lion let out a loud roar. Roar means चिंगाड़. शेर की चिंगाड़ बाहर सुनाई दी. 5th is upstairs. सीढ़ियों से ऊपर. He ran back upstairs. वो सीढ़ियों से ऊपर वापस चला गया. And last one is entrance. दाखला. We will meet you at the entrance. हम आपको दाखिली दरवाजे पर मिलेंगे. Now students, I repeat it. Expensive. I have bought an expensive watch. Idea. This is a good idea. Gang. A gang of thieves was caught by police. Roar. The lion let out a loud roar. Upstairs. He ran back upstairs. Entrance. We will meet you at the entrance.